Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to go live on Facebook Lite. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook Lite application and make sure that you have already logged in. With this, you shall directly land on your homepage. Now on the homepage, tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner and tap on your profile to view your profile. Now scroll down a little and you will get to see all your posts here. On the box you can see post status update. Tap on it. You can upload your photos, videos or status from here. Tag your friends on the posts, add location among them. At the end, you can also see this go live option. Tap on it in order to start your live session. All you need to do is tap on go live button right here, and with this your live session will begin. Your allotted audience can now comment here, share your live. If you want to end the live, then tap on this finish button right here. You can also delete the live video by tapping on this delete button right here. If you want your video to be posted on your timeline, then tap on finish button. For now I shall be deleting this video, so tap on delete and again tap on delete button. Your video will be deleted. So this is how you can go live on Facebook Lite. This was it for today guys. I really hope that you guys liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.